So if you watch the non-repair video of this, we got to the stage where I fitted an output transistor and it was a fake one, so the thing was only developing something like 200 milliwatts. And one of the viewers very, very kindly sent a second-hand output transistor, and we've put that in. There are issues with this radio. It's had a hard life and it's only developing 2.5 watts. So we're going to, I've got to cut losses sometimes, and we can't be spending hours and hours and hours taking every part out and seeing what's changed value. I could put 4 hours into it, but the radio is worth diddly squat in the state it's presented in. The mic needs a new lead, needs a new plugs. It's cheaper to have another mic, you know. There's a lot of issues, so it's going to go back with no fee whatsoever to the customer. It does work, but let's see whether we can get Mr. Chippie on the test route. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, copy.
Tango 21, receiving you loud and clear.
Tango 21.
Tango 21, go ahead.
It's actually the speaker that's knackered, so I'm going to carry on and I'll explain that and then switch to extension speaker.
Roger that. Okay. Roger, coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane. Now then, it's a bit garbled. The speaker in the radio is knackered. I thought it was a bit corroded, so I'm going to plug the extension speaker in, so it's going to sound better than it should do. We're going to have to do that, or none of us going to hear anything. So there's another reason not to carry on. We're now on the instrument speakers.
Alright, we're now passing Lancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Lancaster service station. Is there a price?
Yeah, 183.9, 194.9, which isn't great, is it?
Roger.
Right, we're now square wheeled at Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Lancaster Crossroads.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. Now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger, got you going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. I'm on a Maxcom 4E and it's doing 2.5 watts over.
Yep, no problem, all received.
Roger on that.
Right, we're now square wheeled at Wilford level crossing.
Roger, I've never known you be square wheeled at Wilsford level crossing before.
Yeah, once or twice, but settled today.
The chances of that are like me going one down for a Roger and getting one.
That's right. Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger that. Oh,
So he's now at the 4 mile point at Kelby turn. Next one is the Greyleys turn, which is our worst one, surrounded by trees. And then the final one is the 6 mile one at Rossby level crossing.
right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger that. Right, we're now square wheeled at Greyleys crossing, or Rossby level crossing, or whatever.
Roger, got you square wheeled. Give me a call when you're going. We need that petrol price.
Roger that. Well, the tyres are just going up, so very short.
Roger, diddly dodger.
And 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. And have you got a petrol price for me?
Yep, roger that. 181.7 and 192.9. Over.
Roger, I'm sure our American viewer will decode those for us. And how have you read me on 2.5 watts?
Fine, as well as I do on 4 watts, to be honest.
There you go, you see. Anyway, there'll be no fee to the customer and you can have it back. So I'll say Tango 21 out.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. Right, we'll go to our base station and see what it sounds like.
Tango 21 testing the Maxcom 4E into our Harris CBHQ base station with the wrong coffin mic. Tango 21 testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thanks for watching.